What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you how to do integration of 1 over x to the power 4 minus 1 dx. So the first thing I need to do, I need to decompose this one. It's gonna be 1 over x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 1 dx. And it's gonna be 1 over x minus 1. That's the difference of squares, as you know. So x squared minus 1, I change it to x minus 1 times x plus 1. Then I need to use the partial fraction decomposition. So instead of this expression, I want to write a over x minus x plus 1, let's say, b x minus 1, and c is going to be over x squared. Since is x squared plus 1, it's going to be cx plus d. So then I'm gonna have common denominator for everybody. We have a times x minus 1 times x squared plus 1, b times x plus 1 times x squared plus 1 divided by x plus 1, x minus 1, x squared plus 1, and then cx plus d multiplied by x minus 1 times x plus 1 divided by the same thing here, x plus 1, x minus 1, x squared plus 1. Then I need to have the common denominator. It's gonna be, this part is gonna be x cubed plus x minus x squared plus x minus 1. This one is gonna be x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1. Here I have x squared minus 1. So when I multiply, it's gonna be ax cubed minus ax squared plus ax plus minus a. And here I have bx cubed plus bx squared plus bx plus b. In here I have cx cubed minus cx plus dx squared minus d divided by the whole thing here, or as you know, this is the decomposition of x to the power of 4 minus 1. So I collect the like terms. X cubed will be a plus b plus c, right? And then x squared, I have negative a plus b plus c. Then x will be a plus b minus c. Oh, I forgot to put plus d for x squared too. I didn't have c, we had only d. So it's going to be a negative a plus b plus d. X is, one more time, a, b, negative c, and then finally we'll have negative a plus b negative d divided by x cubed minus 1. Alright, now I can say that has to be equal to 1. The numerator has to be 1 over x4 minus 1. So it means that a plus b plus c has to be 0. Negative a plus b plus d has to be 0 as well. A plus b minus c has to be 0. And then negative a plus b minus d has to be equal to 1. So what I can say C equals to negative A negative B, D equals to A minus B, C will be equal to A plus B. So we can conclude based on these two that C is 0. And D equals to A minus B, and here D equals to negative A plus B minus 1. So we have these two. So we can say A minus B equals to negative A plus B minus 1. So I have 2A equals to 2B minus 1. This plus here, right? They have 2A, oh, this is equals to 2B minus 1. And then here I have, because C is 0, I can say A plus B equals to 0. It means that A has to be equal to negative B. Okay, so we have, I'm going to sub it here. 2B is going to be the same as negative 2A minus 1. So it's going to be 4A equals to negative 1. So A is negative 1 over 4. B will be 1 over 4 then. So that will change to and here I can say what happened to D. D is here. D is negative A, or D is A minus B. So we have D negative 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is going to be negative 1 over 2. So that's going to be the answer for D as well. So if I go back in here and sub it there, A is negative 1 over 4 divided by x plus 1, plus B is 1 over 4 x minus 1, plus Cx plus D. Cx is 0x plus D, and D is negative 1 over 2 divided by x squared plus 1. So I'm gonna write it in here. That will be the integration of all this. It's going to be negative 1 over 4 ln x plus 1 plus 1 over 4 ln x minus 1. And in here I have negative, as you know, that's the derivative of arctan. So it's going to be negative 1 over 2 arctan x plus c. So that will be the answer to this question, which is integration of 1 over x to the power 4 minus 1. We did partial fraction decomposition. Please leave me a comment if you have any question regarding this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.